Hello students, so let's solve the 8th question from GATE CSE 2019. The question states that judge, a recent High Court judgment has sought to dispel the idea of begging as a disease, okay, which leads to its stigmatization and criminalization, and to regard it as a symptom. The underlying disease is the failure of the state to protect citizens who fall through the social security net. Okay, so basically it is saying that previously, before this court judgment, begging was considered a crime and and had stigmatization. I mean, people looked at it as something bad to stay away from, because it was considered as a disease by the courts. After this judgment, it was regarded as a symptom of what? The underlying disease being that, because symptoms are of diseases, right? So the disease over here being that the social security net has failed that citizen, and hence he has to resort to begging. That is basically what this judgment is saying, and that is what this particular paragraph is mentioning to us. Now what are they asking? Which one of the following statements can be inferred from the given passage? Beggars are lazy people who beg because they are unwilling to work. Okay, that is not really very true. And this statement is actually very hateful, because it is that way. You categorize something as somebody's misfortune as if they are lazy. That's an evil thing to do. So this is not even what is being described over here. So this is not the correct option. Not because it is evil to describe them this way, but because this does not fit what this paragraph was stating, right? Now, beggars are created because of lack of social welfare schemes. Seems to be in the right direction. Let's read the other ones. Begging is an offense that will be dealt with firmly. No, this is not true. Begging has to be banned because it adversely affects the welfare of the state. This is also not true. So the correct answer over here is going to be B. Very simple question, and just be open-minded and just try to understand the question. You will be able to solve it. That's it. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.